Hello world, PDR coming at you here with kind of a dirty Lexus GX 350? I don't know. I think so. GX 450, yeah. And real nice car for a real nice person. It had a little dent on it that I noticed, and don't even know if the customer knew they had this little dent, but I just told them I'm going to take it out. We're going to put this one on the free category. And this dent, I just wiped it with my hand. I know you guys see that little scuff in it, but that's an actual piece of touch-up paint. So I'm not going to mess with that touch-up paint. I'm just going to get in here and find that body line, and I'm just going to start right on the top of the body line and run it through. This one might literally be just a 30-second dent, guys, because bam. I mean, no, it's still there. It's still there. Let's give it some more love. But at this point is when I gotta say the thing. I sure appreciate everybody that clicks on this video. I really do. If you want to hit that subscribe button, it sure helps out the channel. And we always love to see the community grow. We always love to see the positive comments. I think that dent is about 95% right now. And whew, bug flew in my face. But let's give it a good look. Oh yeah, I can still see a teeny bit of it here. So if you guys can see what I'm looking at, this is where I get down to that last 5% mark. Find my tool and basically dial it in. Push it where it's low, tap it where it's high, right? Pretty simple. We just got in there and popped out that dent real quick. Actually, with a few slow pushes and some patience, I'd have to say it came out pretty darn nice. Now all it literally has is a piece of touch-up paint on it, and I'm not going to mess with it because looking at it, it looks like this isn't even a straight black. This is that metallic black with all kinds of cool little pearl flakes in it. But I will put my liner back up. So like this little piece of plastic, I kind of, there we go. Got to get it up underneath. So it, let's give it one more good little push. Little piece of plastic. That's those little things you got to always remember to do the things that you undid, or undo the things that you did. As far as clips and plugs and little plastic things. But yeah, I think that one came out pretty nice. If you guys liked this video, show me you liked it and hit that like button if you would. Otherwise, this has been PDR and I'm out. Peace.